Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So it's about that time again. It's Singleswag time. I swear to God, I think these boxes come like every day. Either that or I just pile them up and it seems like they come every day. So again, you don't have to be single to get this box because it has so many good items in it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. I'd so appreciate it. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I've met so many lovely people on here. It's just so hard to keep up. So I just want to thank you. So today we have the Singleswagger, and you never know what's in it. So I always know there's a food item in it. And the first thing I do is open up the box and take out the food item because God forbid it gets stale. So we have to take that out of the box. So let's see what's in here. This box, it's crazy. It goes for $39.99 or something like that a month. But they have so many specials. You can get 50% off, 40% off, 35% off. I have a link down below which will give you a savings. But what it does is it takes you to their website. So if there's a bigger savings, you can get the bigger savings. I don't make any money off of it, so I'd rather see you get a good savings, and you can do a 3-month or 6 months or a full year, and it just comes to your door and you get all sorts of goodies in there. So this box is the May box. So I know I'm not caught up. I think I have the April box coming, or is in the other room. So I'm just trying to catch up. So the first thing is Ivory Olivia Satin Eye Mask. You have to hand wash these with cold water or machine wash on delicate. Do not bleach, hang dry. It feels very mushy. I'm not going to open it because I probably won't use it tonight, but it feels very mushy. So there must be a string in there to, like, you know, wrap it around. So that's nice. And the eye mask is $28. So your eyes must be beautiful. I don't see the food item. Must have eat it. The next thing is Simply Glowing Glow On Beauty, and of course it's all wrapped up. This is what it looks like. It is, oh, it's a vitamin C serum, so that's awesome. This lightweight serum will leave you simply glowing, formulated with hydrating vitamin C and licorice root. Sounds good. To help reduce the appearance of textured skin and bring about a more natural glow. Use both morning and nighttime for best results. And it's $32. So I'm not going to open it, but in my routine I do all the moisturizing, toning, and then I put on a serum, and then I put on a moisturizer. So that's really good. Then we got So Susan, and this is a primer gel. Say hello. We love hearing from you. And I'm not sure. Oops. just goes on your lippies. Luminous Primer Gel. So I'm thinking this just goes on your lips before your lipstick. It's vegan and all that good stuff. But again, it's so sealed up, I'm not going to open it. But let's see here. This illuminating water-based primer is designed to have a soothing effect on your skin, diminish the appearance of fine lines, and provide oil-free. While extending the wear of your makeup. Oh, so I guess it's a primer. Nothing to do with your lips. And that was $42. Okie dokie. Then we have Hand Defense Hand Wash Infused Buffer. So, it's a hand washed infused buffer. So I don't know if you just leave this by the sink. Yeah. It's kind of like the things we put in our bathtub, the sponge gel. And it smells good. You get 40 hand washes out of this. And yeah, it's sponge gel Hand Defense. It's $14. And then they always put a piece of jewelry in there. Now, to me, their jewelry is way overpriced. I mean, way overpriced. And sometimes it looks like children's jewelry. That's just me. But there might be one or two pieces that I'll actually wear. But most of the time. So this is the May jewelry. So it's got it's just a plain gold chain. I'm a silver girl. And then it's got the earrings. But it actually makes a nice gift. Or if you have friends that just say, I want that, you can give it to them. But the earrings are super cute. They're little. But their jewelry is they always make it so high. And the link necklace and earring set is $58. So it's not too bad. And then we have, looks like a couple pairs of socks. Socks are not bad. I wear socks all the time. And the socks. The socks are $18 for 2 pair. And then we have the Cushy Strawberry Body Milk. Nothing wrong with that. Strawberry Body Milk is $24. So in this box, we got the socks. We got the strawberry milk. We got the jewelry, the sponge gel, which you can never get enough of those, and the this is, I think, the vitamin C, the primer for your face, and your eye mask. Now, just to let you know, there was a, what was it? Vanilla cream filled wafers for $4 in here. They seem to be missing, so I must have eaten those. So let me know what you think of this box. As I said, you can get it down to like $22 to $24 a month for this box. And they do have some really nice things in here. As I said, the jewelry is never my big hit, is never why I get the box. But they do have some nice stuff in there. And I think they put some makeup and stuff in there. So let me know what you thought of the box. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon.